From the flickering flames of a prehistoric campfire to the dazzling brilliance of modern cities, light has been an essential companion in humanity's journey. It has shaped our perception of the world, dictated our rhythms of life, and fueled our relentless pursuit of knowledge and progress. Join us now on Timeline of Innovations as we embark on a captivating exploration of how lighting technology has evolved over millennia. We will trace the fascinating journey of light from its humble beginnings to its transformative impact on civilization. Prepare to be illuminated as we uncover the ingenuity, the challenges and the triumphs that have brought us from the darkness of the past to the brilliance of the present. If you enjoy this illuminating journey, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of human innovation. Our story begins over 1 million years ago, in a time when the world was shrouded in darkness for half of each day. Early humans, dwelling in a world ruled by the cycles of nature, found themselves at the mercy of the setting sun. But their world was about to change forever. Deep within the heart of a raging forest fire, these early humans witnessed a phenomenon that would alter the course of history. Fire, with its mesmerizing dance of flames and comforting warmth, offered more than just physical protection from the elements and predatory beasts. It provided the gift of light. The flickering flames of the campfire pushed back the darkness, creating a circle of security and extending the day into the night. This newfound ability to control light transformed human life. It allowed for social gatherings after dark, fostering storytelling, community building, and the sharing of knowledge. It also enabled them to cook food, ward off predators, and venture into previously unexplored territories. As humans migrated and populated different corners of the globe, they carried this precious knowledge of fire with them. Over time, they learned to not only harness fire, but to create it at will, sparking a revolution in human control over the natural world. This mastery of fire led to the development of early hearths and rudimentary torches. These innovations allowed humans to better direct and utilize light, making caves more habitable and illuminating pathways through dense forests. The control of fire and light wasn't just a technological advancement, it was a profound shift in the relationship between humans and their environment. The ability to generate light on demand gave humans a sense of agency and mastery over their surroundings. It emboldened them to explore, adapt and thrive in a world that had once been dominated by darkness. With each flickering flame, they were pushing back the boundaries of their world, both physically and intellectually. As millennia passed, human ingenuity continued to refine the ways in which they controlled light. The limitations of open flames, however, became increasingly apparent. While fire provided warmth and illumination, it was a fickle master, difficult to transport and prone to causing unintended destruction. The need for a more controlled and portable source of light spurred further innovation. Around 40,000 years ago, during the Upper Paleolithic period, the first known lamps emerged. These early lamps, often simple stone vessels filled with animal fat and a rudimentary wick, represented a significant leap forward in lighting technology. These lamps, though simple in design, were revolutionary in their impact. They allowed for light to be moved from place to place, used inside dwellings without the risk of uncontrolled fire, and even transported over short distances. This portability was essential for expanding human activity into the darker hours, facilitating tasks that would have been impossible under the flickering light of a campfire or torch. While oil lamps provided a significant advancement in portable lighting, another innovation was on the horizon, one that would illuminate the world for centuries to come. Emerging from the mists of ancient history, the candle, a seemingly simple creation, would revolutionize the way humans lived, worked, and interacted with the night. The earliest known candles, dating back to ancient Egypt and Rome, were crafted from beeswax or tallow, a rendered form of animal fat. These early candles, though prone to smoke and dripping, provided a cleaner and more reliable source of light than their oil-burning counterparts. The introduction of candles marked a significant turning point in the history of lighting. No longer were humans reliant on open flames or the flickering wicks of oil lamps. Candles, with their self-contained fuel source and relatively steady flame, offered a new level of control and convenience. As candle-making techniques spread throughout the ancient world, so too did their applications. In grand temples and humble homes alike, the soft glow of candlelight illuminated the lives of countless individuals. Religious ceremonies were made more atmospheric, family meals were extended into the evening hours, and scholars could pore over their scrolls long after the sun had dipped below the horizon. The Egyptians, renowned for their ingenuity, were early adopters of candle technology. They crafted candles from beeswax, a substance readily available in their region. These beeswax candles, prized for their pure honey-scented flame, were often used in religious ceremonies and to illuminate the interiors of tombs, their flickering light a symbolic link between the living and the dead. The Romans, ever the pragmatists, embraced candles as a practical solution for lighting their homes, public baths, and bustling city streets. They experimented with different materials for wicks, from rolled papyrus to plant fibers, constantly seeking to improve the efficiency and longevity of their candles. By the Middle Ages, candle-making had evolved from a simple household task into a specialized craft. Across Europe, guilds of candle makers emerged, their members fiercely guarding the secrets of their trade. These skilled artisans experimented with different waxes, wicks, and molds, constantly striving to improve the quality and consistency of their candles. The development of molded candles in the 15th century marked a significant advancement in candle-making technology. This innovative technique, which involved dipping wicks repeatedly into vats of molten wax or pouring wax into preformed molds, allowed for the mass production of candles with uniform size and shape. Despite these advancements, candles remained a relatively expensive commodity, a luxury primarily enjoyed by the wealthy and religious institutions. For the average person, the flickering light of an oil lamp or the hearth fire continued to be the primary source of illumination after dark. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. The flickering flames of candles and oil lamps, while a source of comfort for millennia, could not keep pace with the burgeoning growth of cities. A new era was dawning, fueled by a discovery that would illuminate the night like never before: coal gas. In the late 18th century, the invention of gaslighting marked a turning point in the story of human illumination. Coal gas, a byproduct of coal, could be channeled through intricate networks of pipes, bringing light to the darkest corners of urban life. Cities, once shrouded in darkness after sunset, were transformed. Streets, once treacherous and shrouded in shadow, became vibrant arteries of life, illuminated by the warm glow of gas lamps. Shops and theatres extended their hours, and social life spilled out from dimly lit homes into the bustling, gaslit streets. The city that never sleeps was born, Despite the dangers, the allure of gaslight was undeniable. It democratized illumination, transforming cities into glittering spectacles of light. London, Paris, and other metropolises became beacons of progress. Yet the search for a brighter, safer light continued, leading to a revolution that changed the world forever. The reliance on gaslight brought about its own set of challenges. Coal gas production was dirty and labour-intensive, with costly distribution networks. Accidents, though rare, posed a constant threat. The light was uneven, flickering, and cast harsh shadows. It was a crude form of illumination. The search for a superior alternative continued. Inventors began experimenting with electricity. The stage was set for electric light. The world was about to be electrified. The year is 1879. In Menlo Park, Thomas Edison and his team are on the cusp of a breakthrough. They are about to unveil the practical incandescent light bulb. Edison's genius lay in perfecting it. His carbonized bamboo filament was a triumph. It burned brighter and longer and could be mass-produced. The impact was revolutionary. Electric light transformed homes, businesses, and cities. The spread of electric lighting was nothing short of phenomenal. Factories, once reliant on natural light or the dim glow of gas lamps, could now operate around the clock, their productivity soaring. Homes, once lit by flickering candles or temperamental gaslight, were transformed into havens of warmth and illumination. Cities, once defined by the orange glow of gaslight, took on a new brilliance as electric streetlights illuminated the night. The fear of crime, ever present in the dimly lit streets of the past, began to recede as electric light banished the shadows. The world, it seemed, was embracing this new era of illumination with open arms. Electric lighting, with its steady, reliable glow, offered a glimpse into a brighter future, one free from the limitations of the past. The electric revolution had begun. Edison's incandescent bulb sparked a wave of innovation. Power grids delivered electricity to homes and businesses. Electrification accelerated rapidly. Electric motors powered factories and transportation. Electric appliances transformed domestic life. Yet the incandescent bulb had drawbacks. Much energy was converted into heat. The search for better light sources continued. Inventors explored new materials and technologies. The future promised brilliant, sustainable light. The 20th century dawned with dazzling new lighting technologies. Inventors unveiled innovations that redefined artificial light. Neon lights, first demonstrated in Paris in 1910, captivated the world. These luminous tubes created eye-catching signs and displays. From Times Square to Las Vegas, neon transformed urban landscapes. Scientists turned their attention to fluorescence for greater efficiency. Fluorescent lamps use ultraviolet light to excite phosphor coatings, producing visible light with less energy. Developed in the mid-20th century, they marked a significant step in energy efficiency. Ideal for workplaces and schools, they offered bright, cool light. Fluorescent lighting revolutionized workplace design. Schools, hospitals, and factories benefited from their illumination. However, early fluorescent tubes had drawbacks like flickering and a cool, clinical light. As the quest for the ideal light source continued, another contender emerged, the halogen bulb. Halogen lamps, a refinement of incandescent bulbs, burned brighter and longer. Their intense white light found applications in various settings. Ideal for car headlights and spotlights, they offered a powerful, focused beam. Halogen lighting showed that even established technologies could be improved. The quest for the perfect light source continued. The future lay in exploring new frontiers of light generation. The stage was set for a revolution in lighting with LEDs. As the 20th century drew to a close, a new era of lighting technology was dawning. The incandescent bulb was about to be replaced by a new technology. Semiconductors could emit light when an electrical current passed through them. Light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, promised efficient, versatile and long-lasting illumination. Early LEDs emitted red and green light used in electronics. Scientists unlocked the full spectrum of light. Blue LEDs completed the primary colors, revolutionizing illumination. LEDs began to infiltrate every corner of our lives. Homes embraced the crisp, clean light of LEDs. Streets transitioned to the bright white illumination of LED streetlights. This shift marked a turning point in the way we light our world. The allure of LEDs extended far beyond their ability to produce light. These tiny diodes consumed a fraction of the energy used by traditional bulbs and boasted lifespans that dwarfed their predecessors. Their efficiency minimized wasted energy in the form of heat. This had profound implications for the planet. LEDs reduced our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigated greenhouse gases. This shift became a cornerstone of global efforts to combat climate change. The benefits of LEDs extended beyond their environmental impact. Their exceptional lifespan reduced waste and maintenance costs. This longevity proved valuable in applications where changing bulbs was impractical. The combination of energy efficiency and extended lifespan cemented LEDs as the lighting solution of the 21st century. Their impact reverberated across industries. The world was ready to embrace the LED revolution. The versatility of LEDs knows no bounds. Their small size, efficiency and longevity have unlocked a world of possibilities. LEDs are now the heart of countless devices, transforming our interaction with technology. Our screens owe their vibrant colors and sharp resolution to LEDs. Each pixel, composed of red, green and blue LEDs, creates dazzling displays. Smart lighting systems adjust brightness and color, enhancing our mood and well-being. LEDs illuminate urban landscapes with brilliance and clarity. Streetlights now bathe our streets in clean white light, enhancing safety. Architectural marvels shimmer under LED lighting, transforming them into nighttime spectacles. The potential of LEDs seems limitless. Scientists and engineers push the boundaries, creating more efficient, brighter and versatile LEDs. From flexible OLED displays to micro-LEDs, the future of lighting is bright. The LED revolutionized how we light our homes and cities, but alongside it, another revolution was brewing. In 1960, a new form of light emerged from the laboratory, one with the potential to reshape industries and redefine the limits of what we thought light could do. This was the laser, short for light amplification, by stimulated emission of radiation. Unlike the scattered glow of a light bulb, a laser emits a highly focused beam, where all the light waves travel together in perfect unison. This coherence gives lasers their remarkable properties. Imagine a beam of light so intense it can cut through steel, yet so precise it can perform delicate eye surgery. That, in essence, is the power of the laser. Today, lasers are everywhere, even if we don't always see them. They scan our groceries, play music and transmit data, forming the backbone of the internet. Lasers are essential in manufacturing for precise cutting and engraving. In medicine, they correct vision and treat conditions. Lasers also bring wonder to concerts and festivals, transforming the night sky with dazzling displays. In theatres, lasers project images with clarity. From the mundane to the magical, lasers shape modern life. Scientists develop new laser technologies, opening exciting possibilities. The laser, once a curiosity, now drives innovation and shapes our world. As our understanding of light evolves, so will the laser's potential. The future of laser technology is bright, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Researchers are developing lasers with shorter pulses and higher power for precise manufacturing and medical procedures. Imagine lasers manipulating individual atoms, revolutionizing nanotechnology and materials science. Lasers are paving the way for faster, more secure data transfer. Li-Fi could replace Wi-Fi, offering faster speeds and increased bandwidth. This could revolutionize internet connectivity and interaction. Lasers are crucial in developing self-driving cars. LiDAR allows autonomous vehicles to create detailed maps, detecting obstacles with accuracy. This technology could transform transportation, making roads safer and more efficient. The laser has come a long way since its invention. As we unlock its secrets, it promises to illuminate our world in unimaginable ways. For millennia, our quest for light has evolved. Today we seek to shape and control light seamlessly. The humble bulb is giving way to sophisticated solutions. LED and OLED technologies offer flexible, efficient lighting. Imagine glowing walls, illuminated furniture, and smart clothing. The future of lighting may lie beyond electricity. Researchers explore bioluminescence for sustainable solutions. Imagine streets lit by glowing trees and homes by bioluminescent plants. The future of lighting is bright and full of potential. Beyond the visible spectrum, infrared and ultraviolet lighting play crucial roles in various applications. Infrared light, invisible to the human eye, is used extensively in night vision technology, remote controls, and thermal imaging. Its ability to detect heat signatures makes it invaluable for military, medical, and search and rescue operations. Ultraviolet light, on the other hand, has a shorter wavelength and is also invisible to us. It is widely used for sterilization and disinfection, effectively killing bacteria and viruses. UV lighting is essential in water purification systems, ensuring safe drinking water. It's also used in forensic science to detect substances invisible under normal lighting. Both infrared and UV lighting offer unique benefits, enhancing safety, health, and technology. As we continue to explore these invisible spectrums, we unlock new possibilities for innovation and improvement in our daily lives. Light profoundly impacts our biology and well-being. It's a fundamental cue regulating circadian rhythms, influencing sleep, hormones, and health. Artificial light, especially blue light, disrupts these rhythms, causing sleep disturbances and eye strain. Future lighting must prioritize human-centric design, mimicking natural sunlight patterns to support our circadian rhythms. It's about creating environments that nurture our physical and mental well-being. From the flickering flames of our ancestors' campfires to the dazzling lasers that illuminate our modern world, the story of lighting technology is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. It's a story of innovation, discovery, and a deep-seated desire to illuminate the darkness and shape the world around us. But it's also a story that's far from over. As we continue to explore the frontiers of light, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries and transformative technologies that will reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. That concludes our journey on this episode of Timeline of Innovations. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified of upcoming episodes where we venture into another journey of the progress of everyday things.